In this video we're going to look at the properties of a kite. So the first property is it has two pairs of sides with equal length. These two are the same and these two are the same. It has two angles that are the same and they are the ones opposite. These two here are the same. These are different. It has no pairs of parallel sides. Moving on to symmetry, it has one line of symmetry that goes down the middle. And in terms of rotational symmetry, it does not have any. Let's see. So let's move this copy over here. Turn it around. Nope, still doesn't look the same. Doesn't look the same, just looks upside down. Doesn't look the same. And if I get it all round to the start, that's the only time it looks the same. So no rotational symmetry. Lastly, diagonals meet at 90 degrees and split one into an equal section. So let's put our diagonals on. It's one, and this diagonal goes down the middle. So what we can see is it does meet at 90 degrees. There's my 90 degrees in there. And it splits this one from left to right into equal sections, but not the one top to bottom.